unified examination for SSC, railways, and public sector bank to streamline recruitment process. Amid ongoing controversies and public outcry over paper leaks, delayed examination, and prolonged recruitment process, the central government of India is contemplating a significant overhaul in its recruitment strategy. The proposal under consideration involves the introduction of a unified examination for Group B and Group C government posts across various departments, including the Staff Selection Commission (SSC), the Railway Recruitment Board (RRB), and public sector banks. This move aims to bring efficiency and transparency to the recruitment process by reducing redundancy and streamlining the examination system. The need for reform. The current recruitment landscape for government job in India is characterized by a fragmented system where multiple agencies conduct separate exams for posts and often share similar eligibility criteria. For instance, candidates vying for position under SSC, RRB, and the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection (IBPS) must negative at maze of exams throughout the year. These exams typically require the same educational qualification, such as clearing class 10 or 12 or possessing a graduate degree. This redundancy has led to an overwhelming number of applicants. The central idea behind the unified examination is to simplify the recruitment process by allowing candidates to appear for a single exam, the result of which would then determine their eligibility for various posts across different departments. This would not only reduce the number of exams candidates have to take, but also streamline the allocations of posts based on their performance in this one examination. An official familiar with the discussion emphasized that the current system where candidates apply for multiple exams with the same educational criteria create a cyclical pattern of constant exam preparation and application. The introduction of a common exam would break this cycle, making the recruitment process more efficient for both candidates and the government. However, the specifics of how this unified exam would be implemented remain under discussion. It is yet to be decided whether the common exam would replace preliminary exam, main exam, or both. The official noted that the proposal is still in the discussion phase with various This idea of a one-stop examination is not entirely new. The government has been exploring the possibility of such a system since 2017, with discussion about whether the National Recruitment Agency (NRA) could serve as the body to conduct the unified exam. The renewed interest in this approach comes at a time when the efficiency and integrity of public recruitment processes are under intense scrutiny. In a parallel move of DOPT is also considering the merger of the several smaller civil services to enhance the efficiency of government operations service, such as the Indian Audit and Accounts Service (IAAS), Indian Civil Accounts Service (ICAS), Indian Defence Account Services (IDAS), and Indian Defence State Services (IDES) could potentially be consolidated to streamline administrative process and reduce bureaucratic overhead. The Center's considerations of a unified examination and the potential merging of civil services represent bold steps towards modernization and recruitment, and the administrative process